Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 7D Fusion, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, yeah, I got everything here now. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could potentially use a paperclip, and if it has a plastic wrapping, you will need to cut it off. As long as you straighten out one of the edges, it should work just as well as the tool designed to pop out the tray. Now from there, once you have either one of those, you can pop out that said tray, which is located at the bottom of the device, so right over here. Now there's two little insert areas, or ones that look like it, but the one that you want to utilize is the one that is part of this cutout. So there we go, closer to the edge. And once you get it in there, you want to push it in. And when you do, you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now it looks like I have lied. There is no SD card support, so I'm just going to move that to the side. And we only have a single SIM card support, which you can see right here on the very top. So grab your card, clip it in place. There is a retention bracket, so you will need to make sure that it's clipped in correctly. If you flip it over and the card is falling out, that means that it's not in there correctly. From there, put it back into your device, and said card should start working right away. There we go. So I need to confirm my SIM card pin. Once I do so, this will unlock the SIM card and I can now use it. Now one more thing that I want to check out while I'm showing this. I believe if we go into our network and internet, possibly SIM and mobile networks. So you do have the option to add an eSIM. So if you want to use a secondary number or you only have an eSIM, you can click right here, download new SIM, and you will need to provide it with that QR code for SIM card, which would then allow you to add additionally an eSIM on top of what we have right here. So the phone actually supports two numbers at the same time, but only a single physical SIM card. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.